sunshines. So today I want us to do a video on hair DIY. This is now part 2 of easy budget friendly DIY hairstyles you can do for yourself, by yourself, at home during the festive season. If you're new, my name is Mwende. I make awesome videos. Make sure you subscribe. The icon is just somewhere over here. If you're a returning subscriber, what's up guys? Welcome back, sunshine. So as usual, let's go straight to the video. So guys, I'm done. This is the final product. Let me show you side by side. Let's just move slowly to the side. Yeah, using Marley braid. If you want, you can actually add more decorations to the side. I like putting my decorations at the fringe part, and I used 1.5 packets of Marley braids, and it literally took me 5 minutes. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in part 3 of easy budget DIY hairstyles you can do for yourself, by yourself, for the festive season. Bye.